So fall has arrived. I see that the soil has settled a little bit, which is fine. I'm okay with that level. If it settles further, I may add a little bit in the spring. I have no choice than to go in the crawl space today. Temperatures are going down to 1 tomorrow, and they're calling for rain and snow. So, not a happy camper. But it's lovely here in the fall, I have to admit. I just don't like fall. But it's quite lovely. Yeah, it's a little cloudy, and I think that's from the material itself. So I had wiped it down several times. I guess I should have done it. Anyway, it is what it is. So I'll keep an eye on it. I may have to use a little abrasive thing to just get some of that cloudiness out. For this and those stumps over there, it was a challenge getting them done, wasn't it? In terms of just the gluing, so applying the glue and placing the beads. So yeah, so I'm gonna do that one today. I've got my materials here. Yeah, I'm just gonna put the coat on there and then muster up the strength to go into the crawl space. I'm going to put these things away now that snow is going to be arriving. I don't know what I'm going to do with the boats because I can't move them on my own. I think with a fishing boat I might be able to pull it out of the way, even if it's just up this way so it's not in the water, and then just secure it down. With the paddle boat, I'm not sure. So yikes, so the water level came up probably a good 10 inches. Lots of pine needles in the water, but quite lovely. It was supposed to be raining today all day. But now they're only calling for about 30% chance of rain, so I'm quite happy about that. So I'm gonna get going on this because there's lots to be done here. I was hoping to do some of the raking. I don't know how much I'm gonna get done because that's a lot of raking on the driveway, and it's the driveway that I'm primarily concerned about. And the leaves are kind of damp, so I'm gonna try with the leaf blower, but it doesn't have a lot of force, so it may not do much with the wet leaves. But I'm gonna do, even if I just do, you know, a third at a time or even a quarter of the time. I'm here till Tuesday. Today's Saturday. So I'm hoping I'll get it done. So we ended up having some rain. I took in the chairs from there and put the kids' kayaks away. So I fixed all of that and puttied it up. It's all in the shed. Gonna have to see what I can do with those big boats. I'm going into the crawl space at the moment, so not looking forward to it. So it's so pretty. I meant to come out earlier after it had stopped raining because everything was just glistening. All the leaves, everything. So the wind died down a little bit, but yeah, it's about 12 degrees Celsius, so it's comfortable. Got a hoodie, but it's comfortable. I did finish off the stump there, the little table. I did grout it. I think the video went off and I didn't realize that. So that's all ready. It's just drying now. Oh dear, it rained. I wonder, I'll have to check it. I hope it didn't leave any marks on it. Oh boy. So these three things, for some reason, just didn't go smoothly. That table over there in the play area was fine. So I'm not sure what's going on with these. Yeah, I've been removing the quarter round that they had around the door there. I'm going to continue on the other side.